I want to welcome you to the Seawolf. And this morning we're going to make great coffee. My name's Jack Kelly. I'm the founder and CEO of Café Ladro and Ladro Roasting. We've been making coffee since 1994. So today we're going to brew you some great coffee. An absolute critical element is fresh ground coffee. Of course, Ladro coffee. Over here we have a really wonderful coffee grinder for you, a burr grinder. We're going to show you how this has been perfectly calibrated for you so you don't have to worry about anything. All you do is push start. It has the grind time, the perfect amount of cups, grind size is preset. All you do is push start. We're putting in 1,250 grams of water, all the way up to the number 10 on this coffee brewer. One of the best coffee brewers known to man, by the way, the Moccamaster. We're gonna take this filter, put it in. We're gonna fold the filter along the seam, place it in to the holder, press it in. Must always rinse the filter. This does a couple things. Rinses the paper flavor out of the paper and also secures it perfectly into the holder. Now we take our coffee grounds, pour them in, give it a little shimmy shake, place it in to the holder. We turn on the machine. After exactly 5.5 minutes of perfect brewing, we're going to take our coffee pot, extract it from the side for easy extraction. Perfectly balanced. Beautiful.